Congratulations on your purchase of contact buttons from GHL Plugins. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get that up and running in just a couple minutes. So over here on my screen you'll notice I've got this already embedded here as a custom menu link. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So once you've connected and you've gone through the process of linking your agency, adding the script and everything else, now it's time to go make a link. So you're just going to go to settings, right? Go to links. Now you're just going to go ahead and refresh the page there. So we'll go to links. Now you're going to go ahead and click add a link. We're going to just add a service. Now I've got all the services. Now yours is just specifically for QR code. We're just going to go ahead and hit save. Right? So now in this case it's going to add it to the bottom of the list. So I'm going to copy this URL. You don't want to try to copy this because it's longer than what we can show on the screen. So you just click copy. Then of course you go to your agency and create a new custom menu link. Icon doesn't really make a difference. I guess they do have a QR code. Let's see. There we go. Cool. All right. Link URL. So now the nice thing is you can choose what sub-accounts you want this to appear in. If you want to show it to all sub-accounts, you can, and then all sub-accounts will be able to create their own QR codes. If you want to limit it, of course you know how to do that. You can select the sub-accounts that you want to share it in. Once you've done that and you've created the custom menu link, it's going to be instantly accessible there. And the very first thing you're going to want to do is just to create a QR code. Now here you actually have the options of the different types of QR codes you want to create. I'm not going to go through each of these scenarios, but that's how you get started right away with contact buttons. We hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to respond to this email. You can also click the link to schedule a call for support that came with this video. Thank you and welcome to GHL Plugins.